myself Swapnil Srivastava and welcome back to your YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will show you some cool and secret commands of the Termux app that you all will find very useful for yourself. So previously I shown you how to use the Termux app to hack Android phone. So I thought to make a video to cover all those useful and secret commands regarding that Termux app that you all will find helpful. So in this video I will tell top 10 secret and cool commands of the Termux app and I hope you will like it. So let's go to the Termux app and see which are those commands. So let's go to the Termux app. Here you can see this is my Termux app, and first thing you notice that this text that is Swapnil I written in some different font and in the different color. So I will also tell you how to write text in this format, and that particular command is also included in this top 10 list. So let's talk about the first command. So first of all you need to type here apt install sl. So just type here apt install SL. So it will install a package named SL, and this is required to run that particular command. So just type here SL, and now you have to just type here SL and hit enter. You can see it's showing a very cool train running on your screen. So you can show it to your friends. It will be very much cool and funny. They all will be amazed how you will be able to do this. So now let's talk about the next command. So the second command is for those who are the student. For example, if you are a mathematics and if you are a student of mathematics and you want to find a factor of any particular number. For example, take an example of 100. You need to just find the LCM of them and just find the factor of that particular number. So in the Termux app you can also do this. You can also solve a mathematical problem. For example, you want to find a factor of particular number 100. I will type here factor. You also need to just type your factor and just type the number of which you want to get factor. For example, I want to get the factor of number 100. I will type here factor 100 and hit enter. So you can see it's showing the factor of 100 is 2255. It means that when 2 is multiplied by 2 and after that 5 and after that 5, it will get into the 100. So it will be very useful for those who want to get the factor of any particular number. They will not need to just do a calculation on their paper. If they can directly get it from your phone, directly from your Termux app. So the third command is very useful for those who are a very immersed user of the Termux app. And if you are a very immersed user of the Termux app and also need to type a very long commands on the Termux app, so it will be very painful to type it over again and again. So I will going to show you how to type any particular command in the Termux app in the easiest method possible. So to do this you need to install a package, and after that just run a particular command. So first of all you need to type here apt install, and after that just type here fish. So fish is a particular package in the Termux. So just type it here and wait for it to install. Now you can see it's installed. So first of all you type here FIS yani fish and hit enter. So now you can see it's changed the layout of the terminal. Now you have to just type here any particular command, like I want to go to the folder CD Metasploit Framework 4.14.28. I will not need to type it fully. Here you can see just I type CD, it automatically showing that particular folder name. So I will not need to type it again. So to use this particular package, you simply need to go to your keyboard and select a hacker keyboards. So I will also recommend you to use the hacker keyboards. It will be very helpful for those who are an immersed user of the Termux app. So just type your CD, and here you can see it automatically showing that particular folder name, and just hit on this button, and after that just hit enter. Here you can see I am in the folder of the Metasploit Framework, and you can see it also showing in which folder you are right now. Here you can see I am in the localhost, and after that this is the folder name Metasploit Framework 4.14.28. So it will be very useful for those who are immersed user of the Termux app. They will not need to type any particular command again and again. So I hope you will also find this useful. So now let's jump to the next command. So the fourth command is very useful to run any particular text on your screen in the different manner. For example, if you want to run a text like Swapnil on your screen, and that text will be shown in the different manner by using this command. So for example, I first of all need to install a package. Just type here apt install, and after that type here Figlet. So Figlet is a package which will help you to type any text on your screen in a different manner. So as I type here apt install Figlet, you also need to type it here and hit enter. So as I already installed it, I will not need to install it again. So you need to firstly type that command if you are not installed it before. So after that, simply need to type here Figlet. Figlet and get the space there and just type the text that you want to show in a different manner. For example, I will type here Figlet and just type here my name Swapnil, and when I hit enter, you can see it's showing the text in different manner. So you can see it's very cool, and if you show it to your friends, it's also very cool to show them, because they all will be amazed how you will be able to do this. So you can see it's very useful. So now let's talk about the fifth command. So to run the fifth command, you need to install a package. So just type here apt and after that install and just type here cmetrics and hit enter. You can see it's already installed right now. So if you watch the Matrix movie, so it will show that particular Matrix animation that represent that Matrix world in the movie. So just type here apt install cmetrics and after that just type here cmetrics and hit enter. Now you can see the magic. It's very cool, and you can see it's showing that particular animation that is used in that Matrix movie. So it's very cool, and you can also show it to your friends. They all will be amazed to see this. Now let's open the new session. Now see the sixth command. So to run the sixth command, you need to install a package. So first of all, you need to type here apt install fortune and hit enter. So you can see it's installing right now. So it will show some quotes regarding to your life. So just type here fortune and hit enter. So if you are feeling bored while using that Termex app, so you can type fortune and hit enter and get a particular course every single time. So it will show different quotes every time you type fortune. You can see it's showing a quotes from Jay Austen that said that her days were spent in a kind of slow bustle, always busy without getting on, and you can read it throughout the end. So this is the very useful, and you can also use while when you feeling bored while using the Termex app. So now let's talk about the seventh command. So seventh command is for those who wanted to know how I type that Swapnil name whenever I open that particular terminal. For example, when I open a new session like this, so how I am able to write this text in this color and this font. So this is very easy. I will show how to do this. So first of all, you need to type here apt install and after that just type here toilet. So this is a package in a Termex app. So just type here apt install toilet and hit enter. So as I already installed it, I will not need to install it. So you have to do this, but first you need to type here apt install and toilet and hit enter. And after that you need to type here toilet and just give your quotation mark, and after that and just type here any text that you want to look in that particular manner. So just type here let me type here happy and just close this mark and hit enter. You can see it's showing in this manner, and it's very different regarding that Figlet. It's having a different format while showing that text. So it's very different from Figlet. It's showing the text in different manner, and you can also get a color in this particular text. So for that purpose, you simply need to type here toilet and F minus F and mono 12 minus capital F, and after that just type here game and this symbol, and after that is just particular text that you want to show in the color format. Just type here it and just close it and just enter. Now you can see it's showing that particular text in a different manner. Now I have a color to my text, and in the same manner I use it in my new session. Here you can see this thumbnail text is written by using that particular command. So you can also show your text in this format by using that particular command. So now let's jump to the 8 command. So the 8 command is very useful for you, because if you are using the Termux app and if you want to go to any website like google.com, you have to close the Termux and after open any browser. But you can also visit any website inside the Termux by using the Termux app itself. So to use this, just simply to type here apt install w3 and after that m and hit enter. Now you can see it's already installed. It's installed right now. So after that, just type here w3m and just keep the name of the website on which you want to go. So just type here google.com. So I want to go to this website google.com and I will hit enter. So you can see it's open the google.com in my Termux app. I don't need to go to any particular browser. I can directly go to any website directly from my Termux app. So let me first of all close this. So to close this, simply need to type here ctrl plus C, sorry ctrl plus Z. So it will close that particular package. You can see stopped right now. So this is very useful for those who want to go any particular website and don't want to close their Termux app. So I hope you will also find this useful. So now let's talk about the next command. So the next command is very common, and I hope you all will know it. That command is that ifconfig. So this command give you the local host address and all those particular information that you will need while using some particular package, like when you use the Mozilla Flight Framework. So this is the command that will be very helpful for those who wanted to run some particular useful package that will need those information that is showing here. So I hope you also find this command useful. So now let's talk about the next command. So the next command is also very cool and funny that you've seen in the first command. So first of all, you need to type here a package. First of all, you need to install a package. Just type here apt install and cow. Sorry, first of all install and give the space here and type here cowsay and hit enter. So it will install this package. Now you have to just type here cowsay space and just give this sign. Sorry for this. Cowsay and just type here a text that you want to show. So just type here happy and just give this sign, and when you hit enter, you can see there is a cow like this and it's thinking about a happy word. So you can also just change the word here. So it will very funny and it is also very cool. If you show to your friends, they all will be amazed how you will be able to do this. So these are the commands that you need to know. So I hope you will like it. There are 10 commands I included in this video, and if you have any issue, any question regarding this video, please don't forget to click comment on video. I will help you there. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I hope you will like this video. So thanks guys for watching my video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.